At Orange Leap, our mission is to deliver innovation and efficiency through technology to the nonprofit community, which is why we created Orange Leap OnDemand. Orange Leap OnDemand is a constituent relationship management solution built specifically for nonprofits that helps maximize your human and financial resources by streamlining constituent intake and communication, automating your processes, and giving you unlimited access to your data. Once you log into Orange Leap OnDemand, the first place you come to is your dashboard. This is your configurable homepage that provides all the information you need right at your fingertips in order to plan and execute your daily activities. In addition, these dashboards are role-based, which means each user can see the information important to them and their specific roles. You'll also notice that Orange Leap OnDemand has an easy-to-use and uncluttered interface. The intuitive screens allow users to manage data without the need for excessive buttons and tabs. This means that you're never more than a few clicks away from accessing any piece of data in the system. In fact, our customers tell us that the streamlined interface not only drives efficiency, but also increases user acceptance and reduces training times. Orange Leap OnDemand was not only built to be intuitive and streamlined out of the box, but it was designed to be highly configurable as well. Through the administration screens of the application, Orange Leap OnDemand can be tailored to help ensure compliance with your unique best practices and business processes. This not only further increases speed and efficiency of data input, but it also increases the accuracy and consistency of the data. Furthermore, because the configurations are done through the administration screens, as opposed to making changes to the base code, it means that Orange Leap is cheaper and faster to implement, and your investment in the implementation is preserved from version to version, which gives you an extremely low total cost of ownership. Now let's take a look at how we manage data in Orange Leap OnDemand. Here we see the constituent intake form. Once again, you'll notice that Orange Leap OnDemand has a very intuitive interface for capturing data, and because this form can be tailored to take advantage of your unique nomenclature, business processes, and best practices, our clients end up with a solution that optimizes the efficiency of input, mitigates the risk of capturing bad data, and ensures that critical data is captured consistently. Another unique aspect of Orange Leap OnDemand is our automated business rules. This allows you to take your routine business processes and model them in our business rules engine. For example, this constituent currently has a profile type of prospect. However, we have a business rule in our demonstration system that stipulates once the constituent has given a gift, their profile type should be updated from prospect to donor. So rather than the user having to remember to update the record when a gift is made, the system will automatically update that information. With Orange Leap, your best practices are moved out of the heads of the users and are instead kept and enforced by the system. This, of course, means that your data is kept consistent and accurate even if the user forgets or has little or no training on your business processes. The system also has many built-in processes that make maintaining data easy. For example, let's say this constituent calls in to make a donation. While completing their transaction, they mention that they are moving at the end of the month and would like to make sure that they continue to receive your newsletter. Now, traditionally, you would have two choices. First, you could overwrite the primary profile information now and potentially miss opportunities between now and the end of the month to communicate with this person. Or your second option would be to write down the information on a post-it note and stick it to the edge of your monitor and hope you remember to update it at the end of the month. Fortunately, with Orange Leap OnDemand, you can capture additional information. Here we've captured the additional address information, entered a new effective date, and now when that date is reached, the new information automatically rolls over to become the primary account information, while still preserving the historical address information for this account. We can also capture seasonal and temporary addresses in much the same way. And the same is true for phone numbers, emails, and relationships. In this way, the built-in processes combined with the ability to configure both the interface and the automated business rules ensure that you're always able to effectively communicate with your constituents with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. Orange Leap OnDemand also allows you to quickly capture gift information, and it easily handles one-time gifts, soft gifts, recurring gifts, pledges, and gifts in kind. Here you see me entering a one-time gift of $7,000. Next, we would select the payment method. In this case, I'm using a credit card. And finally, we can decide how to allocate the gift. Orange Leap makes it easy to allocate a single gift across multiple designations. In this case, our donor wants to donate 75% of their gift to the capital campaign, with the other 25% going to the building fund. Within each distribution, we also have the ability to designate motivation, soft gifts, tributes, and whether or not it's tax deductible. In this way, Orange Leap OnDemand gives you tremendous flexibility in how each gift is captured and allocated. Once the credit card is processed, we can see the payment status section shows that it is approved. Our credit card number was encrypted, and our status was updated to paid. You'll also notice that the constituent is now flagged as a major donor, In our demo instance, we have a business rule that specifies if a donor gives more than $5,000 in a 12-month period to flag them as a major donor. And if we take a look at the constituent's profile, we can see that he is now a donor instead of a prospect, and he has a new field showing that not only is he a major donor, but he's also a first-time donor. So no matter how I choose to segment out my data, I can rest assured that Orange Leap Rules Engine is keeping my data current and accurate with minimal effort on my users and maximum impact on my donor development. Finally, let's take a look at touchpoints. Touchpoints are a way of capturing virtually every interaction that you have with your constituents. If we take a look at the touchpoint history, we can see that when the gift was created, the business rules automatically sent out a thank you email to the constituent. They also sent out an internal notification to the account manager and logged both of these interactions as touchpoints. So touchpoints can be logged as a result of automated events such as thank you notes and internal notifications as you see here, or they can also be captured in a more ad hoc fashion. For example, if you wanted to log a phone conversation that you had with a constituent, or an event that they've attended, or when they did volunteer work, you can easily capture all of those interactions and much more. This allows you to have a complete and accurate picture of your constituents and donors. And of course, all of the information you capture in Orange Leap OnDemand is fully reportable. So if you're looking for a true constituent relationship management solution that allows you to not only automate and streamline your processes, but also to capture and report on all the data that is uniquely critical to your success in finding and communicating with your donors, then Orange Leap OnDemand does all this and more in an interface that is intuitive and easy to use. Thank you for your interest in Orange Leap OnDemand. If you'd like more information, you can email us at sales@orangeleap.com, or you can contact us through our website at www.orangeleap.com.